Hi, my name is Gina Crawley. I am an attorney in Nashville, Tennessee. And let me get my disclaimer out of the way. No attorney-client relationship is formed by watching this video. This is general information. I am getting the word out. So before we begin, let me first say this. So all documents that I'm talking about that you're going to see on the upcoming slides can be accessed by looking in the description and clicking the link. Okay, there's a link tree and all these documents are there. Okay, so this is the first part of the Debtors' Rights series, File Slow Pays, aka installment agreements stop your wages from being garnished. Okay, so if you have four judgments, then you have to file with four different creditors. Then you have to file four different slow pays in order to make sure that each one is under a stay so they can't go and get your wages out of your paycheck or take money from your bank account. So each creditor, you have to have a slow pay agreement with each creditor. Okay, so you have to file this motion with each one. So this is the first page of the motion affidavit for installment payments. And so this was designed to be used in any county. And so as you can see, this first space is blank. And so in Davidson County, it will be General Sessions Court. We'll go there. Depending on what county you are in, you'd put um, whatever court type handles small claims cases. And so sometimes in different counties it could be different. And here in the next blank you will put Davidson County, Nashville, Tennessee. Creditors information go here. Your information goes to the next blank, case number. And what you're testing here too is the maximum amount that you can pay per. Usually what I've seen generally is per month. Okay, so the maximum amount that you can pay per month, but it could be something different. So here, and then when you put in the maximum amount that you can pay per month, you have to, when you sign this document, so don't sign it until you're in the presence of a notary or the deputy clerk. Now, notaries do cost money, and so if you don't want to pay the fee associated with the notary, then just wait till you get to the courthouse and file it in front of and then sign it in front of a notary. And then there shouldn't be a fee or anything like that. So you just sign, print your name, fill in all of that information. But hold off on signing it until you are before a notary, okay? And then in the certificate of service, you would fill that out. The first blank you would put in how you're sending it to the creditor. Are you mailing it? Are you filing it on the e-filing system or e-service system? Are you delivering it in open court? Are you hand delivering it to the creditor's attorney? So that's what would go in that first blank. In the second blank, you will put what date did you do it? Did you do it on June 5th, 2024? So you would write that date in. Then in the next blanks here, the space here, you would write in the creditor's attorney's information because most of the time the creditors are represented by attorneys. And so you would write in the attorney's contact information here. You sign and print your name. And this is the affidavit of income and property. So with this, what you're having to do, and still you fill in the creditor's name would go in this first blank. The debtor's name would go in the second blank here. Case number goes up here where you see the mouse at. And so here you would fill out your information. You put in your dependents. You're listing all your incomes, your other creditors that you have to. Your bills, like how much is your light bill, how much is your phone bill, what's your electric bill like, what is your water bill, what is your gas bill. So all your different bills you're listing it out here. And if there's not enough space, then you want to, if you have to attach additional sheet of paper, then do so. But whatever you list down, you want to make sure you have supporting documents as well too. You support how much, show proof of how much you're getting in, show proof of how much you're going out. And when you are submitting those documents to the courts, you want to remove your personal identification number. If your social is appearing on there, you want to wipe that out as well too, because these documents can end up in the public record and you don't want your account information in the public record like that. So definitely remove any type of personal information on those documents. And so next, this is what the document looks like if you're filing in Davidson County, Nashville, Tennessee. It's the same as the one that you can file in any county And so again, you put the amount that you want to pay, and usually it's per month. And again, these documents have to be signed in front of the clerk or a notary. And if you don't want to pay the notary's fee, then take it to the courthouse and the clerk will sign it for you. Second, you have this affidavit of income and property as well too. Still, just as earlier before, you have to, whatever you put on this list, you have to bring in supporting documents to back it up. Okay, and then the court will look at it. Also, too, when you file these, sometimes there is a filing fee, and if you can't afford to pay that fee, you want to ask for an affidavit of indigency and just let the clerk know that I can't afford to pay the filing fee, and then they'll take down. You'll have to fill out that affidavit of indigency. When you fill out that affidavit, you need to have supporting documents to attach to that as well too. And basically, what you're telling the court, I can't afford to pay the filing fees right now, but I still want to file this document. What that does, it moves the filing fees to the back end of the case. The filing fees don't go away. You just don't have to pay it on the front end. But I also did a video about that entitled Affidavit of Indigency, so you may want to check that out as well too. So when you file your slow pay motions, aka installment motion for installment agreements, you want to draft a sample order on the motion for installment payments that you can also file, which makes it easier for the court. They can just fill in how much it is and maybe monthly installment payments in the amount of maybe it's $25 per month or whatever the court fixes it at based off of your income. And this is you would have to fill this out. You fill this out same way as the other documents. You fill out the information, how you served it up on the creditor, which should be the same how the motion was served, because you're going to file this proposed order along with your motion. Okay, so this should be the same as your motion. Should read the same exact same way. So again, all the videos that you saw me go over are in. You can click the link. Look in the description and click the link within the description. So thank you so much for just watching this video, and just continue to stay tuned for more videos. But also remember to use this resource to stop your wages from being garnished, okay? Because filing these types of motions and getting slow pays in effect can stop your wages from being garnished. It can also stop creditors from being able to take money out of your bank account. So definitely take advantage of this resource. Tell other people who may be going through a similar situation about this resource as well too. And so just again, thank you, and just stay tuned for more videos, and please leave a comment, subscribe, and like. Thanks so much. Bye bye.